complex sentence combines one independent clause with one or more dependent clauses. An independent clause stands alone as a complete thought with a subject and verb. A dependent clause cannot stand alone and needs the independent clause to make complete sense. This structure lets you connect related ideas in one sentence. An independent clause stands alone as a complete sentence because it has a subject, verb, and complete thought. For example, I eat pizza works alone. A dependent clause cannot stand alone because it lacks a complete thought. It usually starts with words like because, although, or when, and needs an independent clause to complete the meaning. Consider the sentence, because it rained, we stayed inside. The first part, because it rained, is the dependent clause starting with because. It cannot stand alone as a complete sentence. The second part, we stayed inside, is the independent clause that expresses a complete thought and can stand alone. Look at although pizza is my favorite, I eat chicken wings. Although pizza is my favorite is the dependent clause showing contrast. It cannot function as a complete sentence by itself. I eat chicken wings is the independent clause that stands alone with a complete meaning. In after Jason and Mary walked along the beach, they went to dinner. The dependent clause, after Jason and Mary walked along the beach, shows time relationship. This clause needs the main clause to make sense. They went to dinner is the independent clause that completes the thought. Notice the children were not late to school since the bus arrived on time. Here, since the bus arrived on time, is the dependent clause explaining the reason. It depends on the main clause for meaning. The children were not late to school is the independent clause that stands complete. Subordinating conjunctions connect dependent clauses to independent clauses. Time words like after, before, when, while, since, and until show when something happens. Cause words like because, since, and as explain reasons. Contrast words like although, though, and even though show opposition between ideas. Complex sentences connect related ideas to show relationships like cause and effect, time sequences, reasons, or contrasts. They make your speaking and writing sound more natural and sophisticated. Instead of short separate sentences, complex sentences combine thoughts smoothly for better flow. Practice combining I was tired and I had worked all day using a subordinating conjunction like because. Try making your own complex sentence with because or although using two simple ideas from your daily life. Check if removing the dependent clause leaves a complete sentence. Remember the complex sentence formula. One independent clause plus one dependent clause connected by subordinating conjunctions. The dependent clause cannot stand alone as a complete sentence. Practice by starting with simple ideas, adding words like because, although, or when, then test by removing the dependent clause.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.